Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I am still here at the Carnival of Cars, and I figured I'd walk into the other room here because the band's not playing, and we'll show you some of the other cool cars that are here. A lot of nice cars here. It is the first night, so they just opened up about an hour or so, about an hour and a half ago, so people are starting to pile in. So hopefully I can give you guys a really good, this is a true rat rod right here. Wow. I like how they made a front crank out of an old, I know what I'm talking about, but, oh wait. That is really cool. 1935 Ford pickup. Wow, this is an old saw blade. That is really, that is cool. Oh man, this is true patina right here, man. When they're that rotted, wow, that is neat. Old military stuff. Wow, the old skulls in that. This is really cool. This is a cool paint job. Wow. Little chain steering wheel. Man, look at the paintwork on this. That took a lot of time. That's all airbrushed, you can tell. Man. And that is the world's biggest chair I've ever seen for one of those. The band's starting to get ready, so I want to get some of this recording in. And that looks mighty dangerous. Put a nitrous bottle on it. Wow. Paintwork on this. It's all airbrushed. That is really cool. And she's mighty green. She looks like she's been in that boat a little too long. A lot of cool cars. They haven't had this show in 2 years. Triple carbs. You're good. Some of the vendors here selling stuff, some tools and things like that. Supercharged. The Chevy, I guess. Like my pickup truck. It's an older Chevy. They made a few of these. Hoovy from Hoovy's Garage had one of these and he wound up selling it. Pretty cool. V8. And the motorcycles, here you go. Old GTO. This is nice. Look how clean that is. Wow. That is really clean. You don't see a lot of wires. That painted, flawless. 1969. Man. I mean, look at that paint. You can see in the reflection. This car has been wet sanded down and buffed good. Wow. Somebody spent a lot of time on this car. Wow. That is pretty. But then you get into the crazier stuff. This is really sweet too. I like this bright red. This is, wow. 1966. Somebody spent an awful lot of time and money on this. Wow. That is neat. This is a beautiful red. I like that shade of red. Oh, okay. You could have taken the credit for it. Nobody would have ever known. Oh, excuse me. Here, I'm gonna have to walk around some people here. Yep, nice old Charger here. Man, look at this. There's more room in this car than you think. Stick shift. Wow. It's a beautiful blue. It's another one that somebody spent a lot of time on the paint. 6.4 heavy motor. Man, look at that. 1967 Dodge Challenger. Yeah. And then you start getting into the drag cars. When these things fire up. Ooh-wee. Yeah, there's definitely some trailer queens here. Like this Mustang right here. And can't really see on the hood too much, but I know it ain't a factory. See if I can at least scoot around to the other side here. And get in the... You got it roped off, so this is as close as I can get. You know, you got to respect the people who own it. Yep. I know, I'll have to make a couple of videos here. There you go. That's a cool color too. Wow. Jeez. Wow. It's a nice goldish color. Yeah, that is really, really nice. Another drag cars here too, and it's for sale. Now, like, you can drive it down the street, you can get an idea. Yeah, this is a full-blown drag car here. Wow. Old Camaro. This is a beautiful shade of red. Wow. Jeez, look at that. Woo. You go from gas station to gas station in it. Wow. Jeez. Something else. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, I gotta get an idea of what's in there. That'll go from gas station to gas station real quick.
Trying to figure out what it is.
Yeah, I know. The Hemi, but
no.
No?
It's a Chevy.
Oh. Oh yeah, it is a Chevy. But I mean, you know, you see the spark plug going in there, like
water pump on it.
Yeah.
It's got a Chevy water pump on it.
Huh. There you go. Not comfortable interior. Can't recline them back, but hey, that's fine. But a buddy of mine, Mark, he is a huge Volkswagen fan. This is neat. Wow. You would never know that's under there.
I know you wouldn't,
No.
but when they close the hood, it hides it.
Yeah, it hides it.
About 700 horse.
Oh, Jesus. How do you keep it on the ground? I believe that.
Going to the shop Monday, trying to figure out how to keep it.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful paint, though. Look at this. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. The back windows have been taken out of it until then. This is an older bug. I can't remember what year, but I know about a back window. But in my Mark, you would know this. I'll scooch over here. Man, this is definitely some older C10 pickup trucks. And these are, a lot of these cars, some of them are driven every day during the summer. Mustang right here. You can see with the registration and inspection in the window, this car gets driven. Which is nice. These cars are meant to be driven. Man, a lot of people here, so it's a little hard to record. You don't want to. A lot of people taking pictures and a lot of cameras. Old Dodge. An old camper van. This is cool. Wow. You can tell this is all original. I know it's a little dark in here, it's a little hard to see, but it's all original. I mean, the stove, the refrigerator, the sink, the heater. That looks like some kind of shower system, I think. I'm not sure. Old school lounge chairs. Wow. The top pops up so you can walk around in it. That is really cool. Man. I mean, it's in really, really good shape, too. I mean, you can still see some of the rust coming through it, but judging by the paint, this is old enamel. You can tell. I mean, the bumpers might have been redone or newer ones put on, but it looks pretty old. And what year is it? It is a 77. Wow. You see the vents for the heaters and all that? Man, that's cool. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one right here. I got more recording to do. I'm going to split this up in multiple videos because if I do it all at once, everybody will get bored. In the meantime, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.